In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can use the merge to center. That's when you want to give your sheet or your Excel sheets heading, something like that, and you use the merge to center to, center the heading, something like that, to make it look more professional. So here we want to add a heading. We don't have a space for that, so we need to do this. I've already talked about this in one previous videos. So I insert here, go, then I try to enter something. So okay, brother, tech, sales, and finance team. I want to make it long. Good. So I have it here. So now I need to use the merge to center this to this side, and even give it a highlight color to make it look more professional, just like I've done for the heading. So now, just like we do always, put your mouse here and then you drag it to the end. Good. And you see we have the merge center option here. Good. Okay, brother, tech, sales, and finance team statistics appears there. Good. Now you can do all the edits then. I have videos on all these things. So you make it bold. You change the text color to white. It has vanished. I'm going to work on that. So now the fill color, we make it, so the cell I've selected, the fill color, I want to make it red, and then the keyboard, the team statistics, everything appears once again. And I select all the text here, and I change the font, make it more bigger, and then I change the font type to Times New Roman, and I'm good to go. So that's it on how you use the merge center. So when you're trying to give your sheet a heading, something like that, you can be doing this. You give it a heading like this and you're good to go. You use the bold and all this to edit your text, the font and everything. So that's it on how you use the merge to center option on Excel. So if you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on Excel on my channel. You can check my Excel playlist to find them. So that's it. Once again, peace.